As it continues to grow, Wazzup Pilipinas serves as a reminder that media can be a powerful force for good. It challenges other content creators and journalists to rethink their priorities, to use their platforms to address the pressing issues of our time. The stories we tell shape the world we live in. With Wazzup Pilipinas leading the way, there is hope that the narrative of our future will be one of progress, sustainability, and unity, a testament to the power of meaningful journalism. In a world filled with noise, Wazzup Pilipinas remains a resonant voice, proving that media is not just about selling stories but about building a better society. And for that it deserves not just recognition but our unwavering support. Wazzup Pilipinas understands the power of media. They use their platform to address pressing societal issues. They don't shy away from difficult topics, they tackle them head-on. Wazzup Pilipinas challenges other content creators. Be bold, they say, be brave, use your platform to make a difference. Don't be afraid to speak truth to power, tell the stories that matter. Their journalism is a breath of fresh air. It's engaging, informative, and inspiring. They understand that storytelling is about more than just facts and figures. It's about connecting with people on a human level. Wazzup Pilipinas sets an example. They show us what's possible when media embraces its role as a force for good. They inspire us to demand better from all media outlets. Stories have power. They shape how we see the world. They teach us empathy. They connect us to each other. Stories help us make sense of the world. They help us understand our place in it. Stories can inspire us to act. They can challenge our assumptions. They can broaden our perspectives. We need more stories that celebrate our shared humanity. We need stories that promote understanding and compassion. Wazzup Pilipinas understands the power of storytelling. They use it to shine a light on the good in the world. They showcase the people making a difference. They remind us that we are all capable of creating positive change. Wazzup Pilipinas focuses on progress, sustainability, and unity. They believe in a better tomorrow. They believe we can build it together. They use their platform to promote these values. They highlight initiatives that are making a difference. They showcase the people working towards a more sustainable future. They celebrate our shared humanity and the things that unite us, support meaningful journalism, support media outlets like Wazzup Pilipinas, seek out content that inspires you, informs you, and challenges you, engage with it, share it, be a part of the conversation. We need more media that believes in a better tomorrow. We need more media that is willing to fight for it. Wazzup Pilipinas is leading the charge. Let's follow their lead.